I'm Jeremiah Thompson with Wireworks Electric. Their previous piece of equipment was having some issues, so they decided to upgrade to a new machine. And with the new machine came a new power requirement. Primarily, it runs on 480 volts. And this building, we have a 122/40 three-phase system. So we had to come up with a solution for powering this machine. And that solution was a step-up transformer. This is a 75 kVA transformer. It's sized with the appropriate buffer for the machine. So in looking for a transformer, we naturally went to Maddox. We've had a working relationship with Maddox for a number of years. It was a pretty natural fit to reach out and ask for a solution for our transformer needs to take us from the voltages we had to the voltages we needed. Best part about working with Maddox is quick response and the knowledgeable salespersons. I was able to get my questions answered quickly and definitively. The shipping was quick too. That was convenient, being able to schedule the job out and knowing when the product was going to arrive. That's why I'd recommend Maddox for your transformer needs.